Yeah, so the manufacturers, when they design the systems, they have to be installed and they work at a certain capacity, right? So they they know that if you keep your coils clean, if you have the right amount of electricity going into it, if you have the right amount of refrigerant, and if you keep it running like a brand new, that system will last 10, 15 years, sometimes even 20. If you don't maintain it, like you know, you don't put the right amount of refrigerant, which naturally the systems they lose like maybe like 1% every year. Or let's say some components like your car battery, you got to replace that car battery every what, 2 years, 3 years,
Yep.
or change the wheels or change the oil.
Change the oil,
Yeah,
yeah.
so it's
Right.
very similar. So you're not gonna run the AC in the middle of summer without checking the refrigerant pressures, without checking the power components, making sure that everything's clean, that ants didn't get in there.